The VERVEWAVE Electric Pressure Washer boasts an impressive maximum water pressure of 2,400 pounds per square inch, ensuring it can tackle tough cleaning tasks effortlessly. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, allowing users to easily maneuver it around various cleaning areas without straining. The innovative 5-in-1 rotating nozzle offers versatile cleaning options, eliminating the hassle of changing nozzles frequently and ensuring efficient cleaning in hard-to-reach spots. Equipped with a complete car wash kit, including a foam cannon and water spray mops, this pressure washer delivers an exceptional car cleaning experience with rich, even foam coverage. Its multifunctional capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of cleaning scenarios, from driveways and patios to cars and garden spraying, thanks to adjustable water pressure modes. With its IPX5 waterproof rating and quiet operation, this pressure washer is designed for durability and a pleasant user experience, further enhanced by a long power cord and hose for extended reach.